Early 30 Ford. It's got headlights and turn signal. I don't think they were. That the early one didn't have turn signal. Check these out. And the grill is, you can tell, got the V8. I mean, this color is really beautiful. The wheels, they're probably like 16 maybe. And it looked like the owner of this car really took his time making sure everything looked good.
How's it going?
Oh, I'm good. If you don't mind me just record, that'd be okay with you?
No, I don't mind.
Okay.
Getting ready to pull out though.
Okay. Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. Thank you. Wow. Nice car though.
Thank you.
Oh, there you go. '32 Ford. Black, I don't know if you guys can tell this, but it's a really beautiful color. The owner built it himself. So, red interior. I always like cars with red interiors and black. Any red interiors. This interior is really, it's nice and simple. So call this a roadster. It's a gorgeous car. Don't see too many of these cars out. That's why I figured I record this. Got a Chevy engine.
Oh yeah, no, it's got 5 hours.
Oh, yeah.
5 hours of just tape.
There you go, SoCal. There you go. 32 Ford Roadster. Alright. This is a 64 Chevy Impala. It's a
327.
keep going, we can hear you talking.
Oh, air conditioned, aluminum radiator, dual master cylinder, 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes.
Oh really?
Yep.
What year did you purchase this?
I just got it actually a couple months ago.
Oh really?
Yep.
Oh, I thought you had this for years. You just...
No, I had one like it, but I wanted to get another one.
Another one? Thank you. What color is this?
I think it's called Meadowbrook Green.
I think that's what it was when we were talking with
Yeah.
the other gentleman that was here.
Yeah. Meadowbrook Green.
Thank you, Lauren.
Oh yeah. Hey. Anytime.
Thank you.
You take care of me, I'll take care of you.
Thank you.
I'll move my chair.
No, it's fine. It's the logo. The interior. It's a wagon.
Here's a nice one for you to take too.
Yeah, that's a nice car too. The back, the wagon, the logo.
And that Chrysler 300.
Plymouth Roadrunner. Plymouth Roadrunner. logo. It's a brown interior.
You'll find another. There's always another.
Alright. This is a 64 Chevy Impala. It's a.
It's a 327.
Keep going, we can hear you talking.
Oh, air conditioned, aluminum radiator,
So now I got all
dual
these
master
hidden
cylinder,
magnets.
4-barrel,
Drop it, you watch it,
power
you
steering, power brakes.
Oh, really?
see it, but you know
What year
it's
did you
there.
purchase this?
I just got it actually a couple months ago.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, I thought you had this for years. You just.
No, I had one like it, but I wanted to get another one.
Another one? Thank you. What color is this?
I think it's called Meadowbrook Green.
I think that's what it was when we were talking with
Yeah,
the other gentleman that was here.
yeah. Meadowbrook Green.
Thank you, Lauren.
Yeah, hey. Anytime.
Thank you.
You take care of me, I'll take care of you.
Thank you.
I'll move my chair.
No, it's fine. It's the logo. The interior. It's a wagon.
Hi, Kate. Here's a nice one for you to take too.
Yeah, that's a nice car too. The back, the wagon, the logo.
And that Chrysler 300.
Ford. This is the Ford logo. Let's see. It's a Galaxy 500. Really like this red interior, and again, I like red interiors. Barracudas. Oh, I'd like to get one of these someday. The grill. Oh. Plymouth Barracudas. I love this color scheme. The wheels. And obviously you got black interiors. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's an automatic. Here's the back. Barracuda, the name. I mean, just the line and the low profile. Look at that. Who went around rocking this car? It's like a bad villain car that he would ride in. Here's a Chevelle SS. I always like these cars, Chevelles. I wouldn't mind getting one of these. Got the hood pins. There we go. SS emblem. Black on black interiors. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little dark now. Rims, tires. Hey, look at that. There you go, guys. Chevelle SS. Mercury Cougar. As you can tell, there's no headlight, but the headlight it flipped up. I love this color. It's just a gorgeous blue, shade of blue. There you go. The wheels are not bad, actually. Fit the profile of this car. And then the interior, lovely. Mercury. Got some trees behind me. There we go, back to the front grill. Black grill. I like this color again. Actually, let me go get the and I get the